Hey, so today I'm going to go over how to integrate Diffy and MemMachine. MemMachine is an open source memory layer that provides memory for your AI agent. Diffy is essentially this right here. It allows you to create complex agent workflows easily in a low no-code environment simply by using nodes. So the first step you want to do is just to get Diffy installed. You can go to their GitHub and their docs to follow those steps. One of the steps you'll find is this copy environment example.env. The important thing to change here is I've already done it. You want to change this to false. That allows you to use different open source plugins that aren't natively part of the Diffy marketplace. So once you've done that and you've copied and forked your own repo and then started up via Docker, you want to then go and install the Diffy CLI. I have it up here, but you basically just follow these steps and that'll allow you to have the Diffy CLI. That brings us to now the MemMachine integration. If you go to github.com/MemMachine/MemMachine, you'll find the folder integrations with Diffy inside. Inside the Diffy folder here, we have the steps for how to get set up. So you can essentially just follow this. One thing that you will need is you're going to need the MemMachine platform API key. So if you just go to, see if I can pull it up here, console.memmachine.ai, that'll bring you to the login page. Just make an account. You can make an account for free, and that'll allow you to use MemMachine without having to self-host it. Now, once you've done this, you want to build the package. So you would just run this command you would just use this command, run it inside the MemMachine package. That'll create the package needed for the actual plugin. So here we see plugin.diffy package. That should be a binary file that you can then just upload. So here, once you go into Diffy, you can click on the top right, go to plugins, and I've already done this, but you want to have some kind of model provider. Here I've chosen OpenAI, and then I've also installed the MemMachine plugin. The installation is pretty simple. Just install plugin, local package file, and then choose the Diffy plugin. Once you've done that, you want to have the authorization. So you would essentially just put the API key in here, and then that'll allow you to use the MemMachine hosted API. The actual usage of the MemMachine API or the MemMachine node is pretty simple. I have one right here, where essentially when the user sends an input, will in parallel both search memory and add memory. That search memory will then go to the LLM, where the LLM will have the context from the search memory and also the raw user query to try to answer that question. Making a node is pretty simple. Just go to Tools, scroll down, MemMachine, search memory. Put one here. Once you're inside the search memory, you can just go /, and then we want to find seems I need to connect it first. Here, /user input. And then inside the actual LM call, I have the /text. So here, once I type / I can see the different things here. I want to get the /text. Once I've done that, you can actually see I wrote a brief prompt here, basically telling the model to use the node. So let me delete this real quick. And let's just do a sample run case just to see it working in real time. So I'll type, I am in California, recommend some cool place to. So here we see it running. It's running add memory right now. You can click on this to take a look. So add memory, we see that it's done that. Let's scroll down a little bit to verify. This UID means that it's been stored correctly, so that's good. Now we go to search memory. There's nothing really important in here yet, so probably won't search up too much. And then gives us the answer here.